everybody. I am Estela Araya from the Costa Rica Medical Center Inn. Welcome to my amazing country. Costa Rica is the most beautiful country in the world. Here we are at La Marta. This is a wildlife natural refuge. Here we are at the place that used to be 150 years ago. The Hacienda La Marta used to have sugarcane production, and here in these ruins that we see right now is where they used to bring the sugarcane and smash it up and bring the juice out of it. The name in Spanish for this ruin that we are seeing right now, this construction, is called trapiche. And here we are at this other area, which is also an interesting thing to talk about, which is called the old commissariato, which in that time, 150 years ago, it meant that this was a place where people could storage things. It was a mail office, it was a gossip place, a center of reunion for the whole community in this area. Right now, we are walking along the trails inside this Hacienda La Marta. It is between 15 different trails that you can explore inside here. The River Gato, which is on this side, and then the River La Marta. So the whole Hacienda property is surrounded by these two rivers where you can also go into the water and swim. And now we are here at the end of this amazing adventure in this beautiful nature refuge for wildlife, which is called La Marta. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you again in my next video.